Hey, welcome back to Futures Chart Academy. I'm Trader Don. Let's take a look at the price action for the MNQ Futures chart for today, August 27th, and the areas of interest for tomorrow, Friday, August 28th. It's the end of the month. When the market opens up, we always draw a purple go box to see where we're at. But did you notice when the market opened up from the closing bell until the opening, we had a 1 hour stop right in there? We had a big gap right there. We started with a gap up. We came up above the purple box, and then we came down below it, and we filled that gap during the Asian session, came into the middle of the purple box, below the purple box, above the purple box, back to the middle of the purple box. The New York session opens up, try to get down below the purple box, bring it back up to the middle, back up to the top, back down to the middle. Basically a lot of chop action, up above, down below, finally breaking through a little bit at the very end of the New York close, and then after hours kind of selling off a little bit. So we came very close to hitting the Thursday high. We don't have to hit the high. You know, if you come within 30, 40 points of hitting the high and you want to take a profit, if you think the market's going up, you can do that. Or 30 or 40 points of the low, you can do that. So we did not hit the Thursday high or the Thursday low. So let's see what we're taking a look at for tomorrow. Well, starting with the economic calendar for tomorrow, you have Chicago PMI. You have the Michigan Consumer Sentiment, which happens 30 minutes after the market opens. Non-farm payroll at that time. Looks like Fed Chair Walsh is going to be speaking. Of course, the Jackson Hole meeting still going on. So we could still see some fireworks for tomorrow. Let's take a look at the levels that we're looking at for the areas of interest. As a quick reminder, the information shared in this video is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. This is not financial or investment advice. But for the Friday high, I got to change this to Friday, I am looking at a number of 29,873 for the Friday high. Puts us up there, and the adjusted high is going to be 973. Let me see if I can manually do that. Pretty close. 973 for the high, and the adjusted high about 100 points off. For the low, if we decide to go down for tomorrow, for Friday, if we have a little take profit Friday, a little pullback on Friday, for the Friday low that I'm looking at is 29,397, 29,397. And lo and behold, that puts us right at, yesterday's overnight low. We haven't done the overnight low and overnight high. We'll get those in just a minute here. And then the adjusted low that we're looking at is 100 points lower than that, 29,297. So somewhere 300-400 point range. For tomorrow, let's go ahead and mark our overnight high and overnight low the way we always do. Taking a look at this, we'll use the long short tool. We'll put it right here. So it looks like the overnight high would come up here. Let me see, yesterday low of day was down here. And then yesterday high of day, let's get that moved up over here. Oh, pretty close, like it wants to take out the high of day, pretty close there. So let's say the overnight high does. Let's say the overnight high wants to go up to 716. We'll make that as the best guess number for the overnight high. And for the overnight low, looks like we might want to take out something right there. Somebody might want to put their stop right there. So let's put the low at like 29,561. So right in there is our best guess for the high and low. So these are the numbers you're taking a look at for Friday. If we decide to continue up in the market, the Friday high we're looking at is 29,873. The adjusted high is 29,773, 29,973. Never know if we're going to go up there. If we come back down, we're looking at 29,397 or the adjusted low of 29,297, which puts us back into that supply wall. Never know if you're going to go down there, but we'll always go sideways and to the right. As a reminder, these are just areas of interest that I'm looking at for tomorrow, and sometimes you might want to set your target, like for today, a little bit lower to get that green check mark. Hey, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, like it and share it with somebody. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'm Trader Don, and we'll see you in the next one.